Claude Code's high-effort setting quietly started reporting itself as a 10, not a bug, an unannounced experiment, not even the first time either. Wait for the exact count. This is Anthropic, filed for an IPO at a $965 billion valuation. It also controls the one dial deciding how hard your coding agent thinks. And this is Claude Code, the agent that hit $2.5 billion in annualized revenue within 9 months of launch, with weekly users doubling in a single stretch. It's become the default coding agent inside a growing share of engineering teams, not a side experiment anymore. It's also the product at the center of 3 undisclosed changes this year. Picture the actual moment. A developer sets the effort slider to high, same as always, expecting the usual result. Claude Code quietly reports back, effort level 10, not 90, not 100. 10, the exact number low used to mean on the old scale. Lay it out side by side. What you clicked, high. What some sessions shipped, the old number for low. Same click, quietly a different product. Don't take my word for it. An Anthropic engineer posting on that very thread confirmed it directly, quote, "One running now maps the numerical effort value differently." Translation, yes, the dial got quietly rewired. And no, nobody announced it first. And this isn't even Claude Code's first quiet experiment. Anthropic's own paperwork proves it. That receipt is coming. One developer actually caught it first. Posting as Argafowl on X, they noticed Claude Code was quietly remapping the effort scale, only on some sessions, so most users never noticed. No internal disclosure, no changelog entry, just one person cross-checking the output against what the setting actually promised. Stick around, the exact 2026 tally lands at the very end, along with what you can actually do about it. So let's look at the pattern, because Anthropic already wrote most of this down itself. This is Anthropic's own postmortem, published after the fact. In its own words, quote, "We reverted this change on April 7, meaning the change happened first, quietly, and only got explained once users noticed. The postmortem itself never says how many users were affected before that reversal landed." Remember that receipt. Incident 1, 34 straight days where reasoning quietly defaulted to medium, 0 changelog entry. And that wasn't the only thing buried in that postmortem. A caching bug cleared Claude's memory every single turn instead of once an hour. A hidden length limit cut replies to 25 words per tool call and cost 3% of measured intelligence. Same document, 3 separate surprises. 1 month later, a second incident. This report catches it, quote, "Existing Pro and Max subscribers were not affected. New signups got no such promise." That distinction only surfaced because reporters dug into it. Anthropic's own materials never spelled out who was excluded. The number behind that one, 2% of new Pro signups lost Claude Code entirely, until developers noticed and it got reversed. Reasoning effort in March, plan access in April, and now in August, the dial itself. Notice a pattern. The same thread had its own honest reactions. One developer put it bluntly, quote, "Anthropic seems to be getting away with selling one thing and delivering another. You pay for Opus, you get something else." Another added, quote, "They're lighting tokens on fire with that thing." Neither comment got a reply from Anthropic in the thread itself. Here's the scale this is happening at. This report tracks it directly, quote, "Weekly active Claude Code users doubled between January 1st and February 12th. Millions of sessions, everyone running whatever config Anthropic quietly chose that week. $2.5 billion a year, 9 months after launch. Not a side project, a product line quietly retuned mid-flight. Time for the honest twist, though, because Anthropic didn't stay silent on this one. To be fair, nobody has proven malice here. No lawsuit, no regulator ruling. This might be completely ordinary infrastructure testing. One developer, writing about the March incident, nailed it, quote, "A model change. It deserves a changelog entry. Simple, not obvious enough to Anthropic at the time." Anthropic's own defense in full. Quote, "We've run in-depth evals to confirm this doesn't affect model performance." Might be true, also exactly what you'd say either way. There's no independent audit confirming those evals, just the same company grading its own quiet change. Here's the honest number, though. 0 of the 3 changes were announced before they shipped, not one email, across all 3. Now, let's be honest. Anthropic responded fast once people noticed, ran real evaluations, and reverted 2 of these 3 changes within weeks. None of this proves anyone shipped worse code on purpose. The real problem isn't malice, it's that renting an agent means it can change under you, and you find out from a tweet, not a notice. Lay the 2 options side by side. A rented agent like Claude Code, Anthropic can quietly reconfigure it, and you find out from a tweet. A model you actually run yourself. Nothing changes until you're the one who changes it. That gap is the entire trade-off, convenience on one side, control on the other. But here's what nobody in that thread actually asked. How many times has this happened total? So let's total it up, and 3 moves that actually protect you from it. The number I promised. 3. 3 confirmed, quiet changes to Claude Code in 2026, reasoning in March, plan access in April, the dial in August. And the number that makes this actually matter. This report puts it plainly, quote, Anthropic hit $65 billion in annualized revenue in July 2026. This isn't a scrappy startup running loose experiments. This is a $900 billion company doing it anyway. A company that size can afford to test on real users quietly. The downside of getting caught is just a bad news cycle. 3 real moves. 1. Don't build your whole workflow around one rented agent's promised settings. 2. Keep at least one open weight model running locally for the tasks where consistency actually matters. 3. Pin your CLI version and read the diff before you ever upgrade it. None of these take more than an afternoon to set up, and every one of them survives the next silent config change. Same thesis this channel keeps landing on. Fewer dials someone else controls means fewer surprises in your terminal. So, to recap the whole pattern. High effort quietly reading as a 10, 34 days of silently reduced reasoning in March, 2% of new signups losing Claude Code outright in April, and now the dial itself confirmed in August by their own engineer. 0, that's how many of those 3 changes you were told about in advance. Own what you can, nobody's sending a heads up next time. 2 days ago, this channel covered a Claude Code bug that never got fixed. Today it's a feature Anthropic changed without telling anyone. Same lesson, own the stack you depend on.